चैनल से और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे सेंसेक्स के बारे में। सेंसेक्स टुडे स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स गिव निफ्टी ट्रेड्स 80 पॉइंट्स हायर मेरिको इन फोकस। Sensex today stock market live updates. The business updates of India. Largest private lender HDFC Bank is also awaited. Apart from lender, the market will also react to the business updates from a retailer including Avenue Supermart, V2 Retail and others. Sensex today stock market live updates. The Nifty enters the first full trade week of 2026 amidst on action pocket weekend not just domestically but also on the global front. The index closed at record high level on Friday, surpassing the previous high of 26,325. The Nifty Bank also made a new record high in the process, surging over 450 points. That index will be prime focus after a slew of business updates announced by lender from Bank of Baroda to CSB Bank, PNP and others. The business updates of India's largest private lender HDFC Bank is also awaited apart from lender. The market will also react to business updates from retailers including Avenue Supermarts, V2 Retail and others. Keep an eye on Coal India ahead of the IPO of its subsidiary on OSDC due to the Venezuela's expose. The reaction of most asset classes including oil to the weekend developments has been largely stable. Watch this page for all the live updates. Sensex today stock market live updates. Stock to watch for from CNBC TV 18 teams. Here's listed of stock and focus going into trade today. Sensex today stock market live updates. ONGC may get 500 million in updates dividends. Here's how. Monday, January 5 will see a focus on oil and National Gas Corporation ONGC Ltd shares following the US attack on Venezuela on Saturday, which resulted in the capture of a longtime president Nicolas Maduro and his spouse. Sensex today stock market live updates. Poonawalla Finco updates. Poonawalla Fin Q3 updates. AUM up 77.5% YOY and 15.3% QOQ to at 55,000 crore as on December 31, 2025. Sensex today stock market live updates. It Yardini on CNBC TV 18. Geopolitics is unpredictable. US Venezuela situation could push China to increased pressures on Taiwan. It remains to be seen whether the US can bring back the Monero doctrine. US Venezuela situation is going to the strength US position in the Americas. If Iran is shoot any protector, US will take action. Chinese economy is not in good shape. Hope China does not see the US Venezuela's situation as an opportunity to invade Taiwan. India will be a big beneficiary with access to scepter global oil from next other than Russia. Sensex today stock market live updates. Mega Ball. CNBC TV 18 market poll. What lies ahead for the Indian market in 2026 and which factor will be play the most important role? We bring you the results of the poll featuring the biggest and most influential voice starting at 8 a.m. today. Sensex today stock market live updates. Indian equities downgrade to neutral by Bernstein's. According to the Venugopal Garge, India is one most costly equity market in the world going into 2026, trading at over 20x future price to earning, whereas the average valuation across 15 major global market depths. Brenston status 15.1x. Thank you.